So how do we monitor API endpoints?
API endpoints, I mean, like my philosophy is canaries. You should, of course, test your APIs and you should have API rollout and management strategy. But canaries is the best way. Every public-facing API should have a bunch of canaries that are continuously testing it. There are a lot of tools that are already available in the market, both provided by cloud providers or third parties that actually test your API endpoints. So you can just point an endpoint, use this tool, and they'll do security testing, they'll do functional testing, they'll do performance testing as well. So canaries are the best way to do it. CloudWatch has this concept of synthetics, where you can actually set up a synthetic stack in another region, and from that region, they're continuously testing your public API endpoints. So I think canaries is the easiest and the fastest and the most painless but very effective way of
monitoring in terms of being operational or in terms of being hacked or something.
All of these things, right? So you can just think about it like you start off with operational. Is it healthy? Is this API still accessible? That's one. Just because your internal systems are all saying everything is working doesn't mean people are able to access it from the outside, right? And people might not be able to access it because of things that are completely out of your control. It could be a breakage in a cloud network, or it could be the internet that is broken, or it could be some other ISP that is having a problem, or a home network problem in a certain geography. So I think it could be a multitude of reasons, but you still want to know. So then people contact you, you're able to guide them as to what is the problem, when it's going to be solved. So that's the basic level of API health monitoring. It goes beyond that. I mean, like API health monitoring is then, like I said, functionally, is it providing the value that it's supposed to? Every public-facing API, you should have some security tests running on top of it as well, continuously to see if there's making sure that there's no vulnerability. Of course, when you launch them, you do a security review and whatnot. But even afterwards, you have to continuously audit, and these canaries help you audit if you actually have because of new code change, you introduced a vulnerability that you weren't aware of.